Immigration enforcement in California has once again ignited widespread concern, as actions by U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement (ICE) continue to trigger protests, resistance, and heated debate. The situation has intensified in recent days with the deployment of National Guard units to certain areas, following escalating tensions between demonstrators and law enforcement. The heart of the unrest lies in the perceived aggressiveness of recent ICE operations, particularly in communities with large immigrant populations. Protesters have gathered in various cities to denounce what they describe as unjustified raids and the targeting of vulnerable individuals. In some instances, these demonstrations have grown confrontational, prompting authorities to intervene more forcefully. The arrival of the National Guard has drawn mixed reactions. While some officials argue it is a necessary step to maintain public order and protect property, others see it as an excessive show of force that risks inflaming the situation further. In neighborhoods already anxious about immigration enforcement, the militarized response has added to a growing atmosphere of fear and distrust. Clashes between protesters and law enforcement have been reported, with isolated outbreaks of violence and arrests. Videos circulated online show tense standoffs, chants calling for an end to deportations, and scenes of detentions that critics say are disproportionate to the actions of peaceful demonstrators. Human rights observers have urged restraint on all sides and called for transparent investigations into any reported abuses. Despite assurances from federal officials that ICE operations are narrowly focused on individuals with serious criminal backgrounds or outstanding deportation orders, many community groups claim that these actions disproportionately impact ordinary families, often without adequate legal recourse or warning. In sanctuary jurisdictions across California, local leaders are walking a fine line between federal compliance and public accountability. This latest wave of unrest underscores the deeply polarizing nature of immigration policy in the United States. In California, often a flashpoint for the national debate, the issue touches on broader questions of belonging, authority, and civil rights. As protests continue and tensions simmer, the call for a more humane and transparent approach to immigration grows louder. Whether these events mark a turning point or simply another chapter in a long-standing conflict remains to be seen. What is certain is that California continues to serve as a mirror for the nation's struggles over immigration, identity, and justice.